Welcome back to the channel, where we explore the delicious world of healthy eating. Today, we're diving into a vegetable that's often underestimated but packs a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. That's right, we're talking about leeks, those slender, green veggies that often go unnoticed in the grocery store. But trust me, after watching this video, you'll never underestimate the incredible health benefits of leeks again. From boosting your immune system to promoting heart health and aiding digestion, leeks are a nutritional powerhouse that can revolutionize your diet and overall well-being. But before we dive into the specifics, let's address a crucial point: why it's essential to incorporate leeks into your diet. So, stay tuned as we unveil the secrets of leeks and discover why they should be a staple in your kitchen. By the end of this video, you'll be itching to add leeks to your grocery list. But first, let's get started with the nutritional profile of leeks and why they're a game changer for your health. Shall we? Let's get started. Leeks are a nutritional powerhouse, rich in a variety of key nutrients that promote overall health. These slender green veggies are an excellent source of vitamins and minerals. Firstly, they are packed with vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. In fact, just 1 cup of chopped leeks provides more than your daily requirement of vitamin K. Additionally, leeks are a good source of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and a strong immune system. Beyond vitamins, leeks are also brimming with essential minerals. They contain significant amounts of manganese, a mineral that helps support bone health and aids in metabolism. Leeks are also a good source of iron, which is crucial for transporting oxygen throughout the body and preventing anemia. Furthermore, leeks provide dietary fiber, which supports digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar levels. These nutrients collectively contribute to better health by bolstering the immune system, promoting strong bones, and aiding in the body's natural processes. So, whether you're looking to improve your vision, boost your immune system, or support your overall well-being, leeks have got you covered. Leeks offer a wide array of health benefits that make them a valuable addition to your diet. They are a rich source of vitamin C, which is renowned for its immune-boosting properties. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, enhancing your body's ability to fend off infections and illnesses. By regularly consuming leeks, you can strengthen your immune system and reduce the risk of falling ill. Studies have shown that leeks contain compounds that may help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. The presence of allicin, a natural sulfur compound found in leeks, can contribute to improved cardiovascular health. It aids in reducing cholesterol levels and promoting healthy blood vessel function, ultimately supporting heart health. Leeks are a great source of dietary fiber, which plays a crucial role in maintaining digestive health. Fiber aids in regular bowel movements, preventing constipation, and promoting a healthy gut microbiome. Consuming leeks can also reduce the risk of digestive disorders, such as diverticulitis. Leeks are also packed with antioxidants, including polyphenol and flavonoids, which help protect your cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants play a role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases and slowing down the aging process. When it comes to selecting fresh and high-quality leeks at the store, there are a few key tips to keep in mind. First, look for leeks that have firm, straight, and slender stalks. Avoid those with wilted or yellowing leaves, as this may indicate they are past their prime. The white part of the leek should be clean, with no signs of discoloration or brown spots. Additionally, choose leeks with a crisp texture and a vibrant green top. The overall appearance of the leek should be healthy and free from blemishes. While leeks offer numerous health benefits, there are some potential concerns or drawbacks associated with their consumption. One common issue is that leeks, like other members of the allium family, which includes onions and garlic, can cause digestive discomfort for some individuals. They contain fructans, a type of carbohydrate that can be difficult to digest in certain people, leading to gas, bloating, and stomach discomfort. Additionally, some individuals may be allergic to leeks or other allium vegetables, which can result in allergic reactions ranging from mild skin irritation to more severe symptoms. It's important to be aware of these potential concerns and monitor your body's response when introducing leeks into your diet. If you have specific dietary restrictions or allergies related to leeks or the allium family, there are alternative options to consider. For individuals with digestive sensitivity to fructans, you can try cooking leeks thoroughly, as cooking can break down some of the fructans and make them easier to digest. Additionally, you might explore alternative vegetables that are less likely to cause digestive discomfort, such as green onions, scallions, or chives, which have a milder flavor and are lower in fructans. For those with allergies to leeks or allium vegetables, it's essential to avoid them entirely and seek alternative ingredients that provide similar flavors and nutrients. Herbs like parsley, cilantro, and basil can offer a fresh, herbal taste to your dishes without triggering allergic reactions. Always read food labels carefully and communicate your dietary restrictions or allergies when dining out to ensure your safety. In summary, while there are potential concerns associated with leeks, such as digestive sensitivity and allergies, there are strategies and alternative ingredients available to accommodate those with specific dietary restrictions or allergies, allowing them to enjoy flavorful and nutritious meals without compromising their health or comfort. Incorporating leeks into your meals can be a delightful culinary adventure that adds both flavor and nutrition to your diet. Here are some creative ideas to inspire you. Soups and stews. Leeks are a classic ingredient in soups and stews. Their mild, onion-like flavor can enhance the taste of your favorite homemade broth. Try adding sliced leeks to potato leek soup, chicken noodle soup, or a hearty vegetable stew for a comforting and nutritious meal. Quiches and frittatas. Leeks can bring a savory depth to your breakfast or brunch dishes. Sautéed leeks can be a flavorful addition to quiches, frittatas, or omelets. Combine them with eggs, cheese, and herbs for a delicious start to your day. Sautéed side dish. Simply sautéing leeks in a bit of olive oil or butter until they're tender and caramelized can be a delightful side dish. Season them with salt, pepper, and a touch of lemon juice for a burst of flavor. Serve alongside grilled chicken, fish, or as a topping for baked potatoes. Pasta and risotto. Leeks can elevate your pasta and risotto dishes. Add thinly sliced leeks to a creamy risotto or toss them with pasta, garlic, and olive oil for a quick and tasty meal. Salads. For a fresh and crisp addition to salads, try thinly slicing raw leeks and tossing them with your favorite greens. Their mild onion flavor can complement a wide range of salad dressings and toppings. To make leeks a regular part of your diet, consider these practical tips. Buy in season. Leeks are typically in season during the fall and winter months. Purchasing them when they're in season can ensure better quality and lower prices. Batch prep. When you bring leeks home from the store, clean and prepare them in advance. Slice and freeze them in portions that suit your cooking needs. This way, you'll have leeks readily available for quick meals. Experiment with recipes. Don't be afraid to experiment with leeks in various recipes. Try different cooking methods, such as roasting or grilling, to discover new flavors and textures. Blend with other veggies. Mix leeks with other vegetables like carrots, celery, and bell peppers to create flavorful and nutritious combinations in your dishes. Explore international cuisine. Leeks are used in many international cuisines. Explore recipes from around the world to broaden your culinary horizons and discover new ways to enjoy leeks. Share with others. Encourage friends and family to try leeks by sharing your delicious leek-infused dishes. You might inspire them to incorporate this nutritious vegetable into their own diets. By implementing these ideas and tips, you can make leeks a regular and enjoyable part of your diet, reaping their numerous health benefits while savoring their unique and delicate flavor. In conclusion, we've uncovered the remarkable health benefits of including leeks in your diet. From boosting your immune system and promoting heart health to aiding digestion and providing essential antioxidants, leeks offer a range of advantages for your overall well-being. It's clear that leeks can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Whether you choose to enjoy them in savory soups, crisp salads, or as a flavorful side dish, leeks are a versatile vegetable that can enhance the taste and nutritional value of your meals. If you found this information on leeks and their health benefits helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on nutrition, cooking, and healthy living. We love hearing from you. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for future video topics, please leave them in the comments section below. Your feedback and engagement help us create content that's tailored to your interests and needs. Thank you for being a part of our community, and remember to make leeks a delicious and nutritious part of your next meal.